says there's how many hands, how many face, and there's how and put a planet. Some Jesus, some Monday, some like that to do to Jesus.
Oh, okay.
And some Monday,
Hello, good afternoon guys. Ano na ngayon? 3 na guys. Late ako na dumating dito sa school. Pero not late actually. 3:25 pa naman yung labas ni Alexander. Pero normally kasi nandito ako 40 past for 2:40. Pero ngayon late ako kasi nga nagluto pa ako para kay Afam. And yeah, today, kaninang morning hindi kami nag-live. Gusto niya sana mag-live pero wala nang time kasi traffic. Actually, maulan today guys. But I'm very happy kasi kahit late ako is meron pa din parking. May available pa rin na parking kasi kung wala, umuulan. Alam nyo before, naglalakad ako from the house to the school kahit maulan, diba? Kahit super heavy rain. Pero ngayon, parang tinatamad na talaga ako. It's very bad. Tapos, supposedly today sana, nagplan kami ni Afam na mag-running. Ang problema lang, medyo makulimlim kanina, 10 a.m. No, 11 makulimlim. Balak namin, sabi namin kahapon na, let's go running tomorrow, 10 after I drop Alexander. Kain tayo ng breakfast and then we'll go for a run. Tapos nanood kami ng Marriage at First Sight Australia. Yan, mahilig kami sa Marriage at First Sight. So, comment doon sa mga mahihilig sa Marriage at First Sight. Grabe, yung Australia yung pinapanood namin ngayon dahil wala pa ang UK. Kasi season by season siya. So, yung pinapanood namin, very interesting. Yan. Tapos, medyo late na kasi kami kaya marami na kaming pinapanood. So, sometimes we watch like 3 episodes, 2 episodes. Yun, natapos na namin lahat ng episode. So, next week, yung fresh talaga yung mapapanood namin. It's really good, guys. Comment, search nyo, Marriage at First Sight Australia. Really interesting. And then, kasi nung bago kami nagkakilala ni Afam, nanonood ako noon. Like, 1 day or 2 days before kami nagkita. Nakita ko yon. Tapos when we met, I said something about it. And yeah, so that's the start. Kaya nanonood kami. And yeah, non-school uniform today ni Alexander, which is Thursday today. And I think this is the last school day. So I hope yun talaga kasi Friday tomorrow 29. Sabi ni Alexander wala nang klase. So I will ask the teacher if wala nang klase and kailan yung balik. Kasi to be honest guys, mahirap din no waking up early, send kay Alexander. Yun no, naalala ko before nung elementary ako. Yung kasama ko kasi yung sister ko at saka older sister. So, tapos nag-jeep kami going to school. So, yun actually. So, yung mommy ko, hindi siya nagsisend, nagda-drop. Yeah, hindi. Actually, work din kasi siya. Okay, so yun lang. And then, makikita nyo mamaya, siya hoodie ng Marshall, pero meron din siyang suot na hindi hoodie, yung and some t-shirt, polo like that. And yeah, I hope he's happy today kasi supposedly I heard sabi niya egg hunting, kaya non-school uniform sila na group kasi by group pala yung sa school dito na meron silang green group, blue group, yellow group. So kung yung group na yan consists of yung reception, year 1, correct me if I'm wrong ha, yun yung pagkakaintindi ko kasi yung last may activity sila ni Alexander, may kasama si Alexander na mga nasa year 1, year 2, year 3. So I think they mix it in a bit sa groupings, pero yung sa class nila yun talaga same sila ng age, 4 years old like that. Pero yung mga ganyong may extra activity is may kasama silang different age nila, which is very good kasi nga they they make friends and yun. Kaya pala sometimes may tawag kay Alexander na medyo older na bata. Hindi naman older, like 9 years old, 8 years old, 7 years old. Kasi kagrupo niya. So kung walang klase tomorrow, at least I can wake up late. Kasi nga, 'di ba? Nakakapagod. Natutulog kasi ako 12, sometimes 12:30 na, sometimes 1 AM na nga. Tapos gumigising ako 7. Kasi 7, ginigising ko si Alexander 7. Madali lang naman gisingin si Alexander. Hindi siya nagrereklamo o hindi siya umiiyak. Pag ginising mo siya, magtatanong lang ako, what do you want to eat? Kasi nga si Alexander talaga, fussy eater siya. So, pag may ibibigay ako ng breakfast sa kanya, sunglasses nga tayo. Pag may ibibigay ako na anong tawag dito? Nanudubo ko. Kung may, let's say for example, magre-ready ako ng cereal sa table, tapos wala siya sa mood sa cereal, hindi niya kakainin talaga. So, kakainin niya kung ano yung gusto niya. So, today, nag-request siya ng hotdog burger. Hotdog bun. So, yun yung aking binigay sa kanya. Kasi meron akong hotdog bun. And sometimes, request siya ng cereal. Sometimes, request siya ng burger din. Sometimes, request niya is pancake, ganun. So every time, meron tayong, para akong waitress, sorry. Para akong waitress na mag-ask, what do you want? Ganon. Tapos, i-ready ko na siya sa down. So, magsi-stretching muna si Alexander. Alam niyo na, yung bata. Magsi-stretching siya. And then, I will say, go down when you're ready. Which is, madali lang naman siya mag-ready, no? And, gusto ko matulog. Okay. Tapos, yun, bababa na siya, kakain na siya, and then after niyang kumain, mag-brush ng teeth, and then after that, tutulungan ko siyang mag-uniform, kasi medyo, bag morning, kasi parang, grumpy pa, parang ganon. So, yun lang. And then, after that, kasi alam na Alexander na kailangan 8 na sasakyan na kami. Kasi, pag hindi, traffic kasi siya, guys. Actually, driving here is just 8 minutes. Pero sometimes kasi traffic siya, so I don't want to be late. Alam niyo na, Filipino ako, pero ayaw ko talagang malate kasi ayaw ko yung stress na late. I preferred mas early. Yeah, so let's say for example, if I have appointment 3:30, let's say like right now, 'di ba? Yung school ni Alexander is 3:20. Nandito na ako 4:40. Pinaka-late ko is 4:50. Ganon. At least may minimum kailangan 30 minutes nang doon na ako. Ganon talaga ako, guys, ever since. Pag walang mga aberya. So, yeah. And then, tawag lang si Apam, guys, kasi nga nag-a-ask siya sa akin kung pwede ko bang kunin yung letter, kasi meron siyang ina-expect na parcel, and then they attempted to deliver, and then wait nga lang, they attempted to deliver, kaso nga lang is wala kami doon, 'di ba? So gusto niya ipakuha yung card. Sabi ko tomorrow na lang kasi sorry guys, I'm so sleepy. Sabi ko tomorrow na lang kasi nga medyo nakapark na ako going out. Kasi ngayon, guys, ang ganda ng parking ko. It's easy to go out later. Kasi sometimes dito nakapark ako na pa ganon, pa opposite. So kailangan ko pang mag U-turn or mas harder. Ngayon ang ganda, easy lang. After ko makakuha si Alexander, mag-backward lang ako and then go straight. Ganon lang, very easy. So, I preferred na ganon. Wait nga lang. So, tomorrow na lang. And then, dito kasi, I'm trying to be careful sa pagdadrive. Actually, sa Pinas, careful din naman ako. Pero dito, I try to be more careful. Kasi nga, pag nakaano ka, 6 points ka, first year ko pa na may license. Pag naka 6 points ako in 1 year, I need to retake the theory test, the practical exam. Tapos ang hirap pa naman ng practical exam guys kasi may mga instructor na hindi mga examiner na medyo strict, meron ding examiner na okay lang. So, ayaw kong mag-risk. And kasi retake lahat. Pero after 2 years, na siya? 12 points na bago mo gagawin ito. So more, So I'm trying to be as safe as I can and as walang problema for at least 2 years. And pag naka-aksidente ka din, yung insurance mo, grabe. Yung sa Pinas kasi before, yung insurance ko is just yung, regular lang na insurance, 500, 600, na pang renew lang ng vehicle, car registration or something like that. Pero dito, kailangan talaga may insurance. And pag bago kang driver, mas mahal yung insurance mo compared to those older. Pag wala kang mga accident. So, this year, ganito yung aking insurance. Next year, more cheaper. And next year, more cheaper. And then after 4 to 5 years, mas more siyang na cheaper. So, I'm waiting for the day na mas cheaper yung aking insurance. Kasi mahal yung insurance. So, yun lang. Kaya, yun. Maganda talaga na mag-start now. And very helpful siya sa akin kasi at least after I get Alexander, I can go home, clean the house, like that. Yeah. Anyway guys, mag-i-end na ako. Mamaya ulit chikahan tayo kasi nasa mood ako yung mag-talk. And mamaya chikahan tayo. Okay, wait lang. Anong oras na ba? Bye-bye guys. See you later. Oh my God, I think they're done.